Welcome to today's video. We're excited to introduce you to the best solutions for sealing Jali, proudly presented by Sehrawat Brothers. When it comes to sealing Jali, the material you choose can significantly impact the end result. That's why we recommend prime wood as the best material for your sealing Jali. Not only does it bring aesthetic charm, but it also requires zero painting, making it a hassle-free choice. Our prime wood jalis come with a standard thickness of 3 mm, which is the ideal choice for sealing installations. These are ready-to-use products designed to save you time and effort. For those looking for that extra glow, we offer optional Samsung lighting at an additional cost. Worried about size or location? Fear not. We offer customization and all-India delivery to cater to your specific needs. All these premium features come at an unbeatable price of 249 per SQ foot, with 100% insurance coverage for your peace of mind. Intrigued? To get more details or a personalized quote, reach out to us at 9069-139-128 or visit www.sehrawatbrothers.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.